We're here. We just arrived. 40 minutes drive from home. There's the groomsman. Hi, lady.
Okay.
See, there's the groomsman. You wait. The driver will open the door for us.
Okay. Oh.
Sir.
Thank you, thank you. No, I'll do it. You take that one. Do you want it to all come out this side? Yeah. There's the other bus. That's our ride from home to the wedding reception. That's my boy.
Okay, we'll see you at 1 o'clock.
1 o'clock, yeah.
Perfect.
Yeah. Come on, come on, come on, come on. That's fast. Kaslag tagtaginip ka no ito na. She feels like she's dreaming. Alamon, alamon. Okay, stay in the shade. It's hot. Go stay in the shade. Ado bakante jay basya niya. Ada bakante. Oh, iso ibagbaga kanya da Raven Binley. Kunda da James kuman. Okay. Lots of room in the bus. This bus. Everybody here. Ay, napudot pa eh. Dapat oras alas 5 kuma. There's a groom.
Wala pa.
Ha?
Yung mga parents.
Andiyan mo.
Dito tayo sa lilig. Para din natin.
You can shove in like extra. You can push your direction if you want. That side is easy. Yeah.
Oh my god. Wait, don't show me that. I'm showing me. Oh my god.
It's just video. Do you like my surprise? Eksakto nakatalikod pa siya. Tapos when she turned, look where we going, she found out there's a limo waiting. And she's wonder why there's a limo there.
Hello. Did you guys drive? You guys want to join the crazy party bus? Little white one.
We are at the wedding of Human and Elona reception. It's a out of town wedding. It's right there. That area is a wedding gonna happen later today. So we just waiting everyone here arrived. And here's the first lady of my life. Here's the first lady. Isot mo yung salamin mo. And almost everyone here already. It's a golf course. A lot of people having a wedding here. Is it really nice?
Do you guys want to go upstairs? Or do you want to wait out here?
It's okay to go up there, or
Just for parents and
Oh.
inside.
Human's parents is right there, I guess. Yeah. So, yeah, I think we're just gonna stay.
Yeah, and I it looks nice. Is that where everyone is staying? Or just everyone just staying next to
Bye.
Yes, so she's actually inside. But I will let her know.
Then it's on now.
Hi, tita. Hi, tito.
So maybe we move.
Nice.
Where's John?
I think he's over there with Homan.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
You're kind of busy.
Yeah.
Maybe
Yeah.
later they finish whatever they're doing. Ganda oh. Donya.